start from the second stanza, is it? So it is a comparative study. This poem is actually a comparative study between two group of people. One group is red Indians and the secondary group is the white Americans. Not red Indians, actually Afro-Americans. So it's Afro-American. We use one term, that is slavery. Who are the slaves? The Afro-Americans, they served the whites as slaves. That means they used to work without any payment and they are treated like domesticated animals. The poet belongs to which community? Afro-American or white American, Euro-American? Afro. First stanza is about which bird? Free bird. Second stanza? Cage bird. Being without marks, be out of the class. You cannot read the view. Next. So, you can see in the second stanza, a cage bird stalks, is it? A cage bird stalks. Stalks means actually, walk you can write, one good term is that there is hop. Hop is the correct term used for this walking of the bird, hopping. Because birds do not walk in human fashion. They actually jump. They gallop. Is it? So, hop. A cage bird hop. Is it a natural fact for a bird to hop or to walk? What is natural for a bird? To fly high in the sky. But the cage bird hops. That means first freedom is already molested. Which freedom? The freedom to fly. A cage bird stops. Down is narrow cage. Narrow means a narrow cage stands for a small cage, is it? Can I write small cage? Small cage is not only a small one in dimension but also suffocating one. If we stay inside a very small house, we feel suffocated, is it? So here, when it is written narrow cage, write down small in size and suffocating in nature. So small and suffocating. Now look, the free bird, what the free bird could do, can claim the sky, is it? But look at the cage bird. A cage bird can claim the sky, that is far away thing, even cannot go beyond the can sail down trees to see through the bars of rain. Sail down means hardly. See through the bars of rain. A cage is made of what? A cage is made of iron bars. A cage is made of iron bars, no? So, since the cage is made of iron bars, what is written here? You cannot see through the bars of rain. He can see the outside, but cannot feel. The fact is that he can see, but he cannot feel the outside world. So what happens to him? He feels very happy. Then he feels frustrated and annoyed. So write down for that line, being imprisoned within a narrow cage, the bird fell a great pain. The bars of the cage, bars mean the rods. Right now, for copy you don't have. Copy you don't have. Right? Right in copy. What did I say now? The bars of the cage. Prevent him, P-R-E-V-E-N-T, prevent him to go out and enjoy the world outside. And enjoy the world. Okay. So he feels annoyed and enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged is the verb form of rage. Okay. Question may come, why does the cage bird feel annoyed or angry? Why does the cage bird feel annoyed or angry? Answer is this. Okay. Next. Next line is written, his wings are clipped and feet are tied. That is his condition. So he opens his toe to see. That is, no other freedom is available. Neither going out, not flying. So what he can do? He can only sing and express her or he. So right now, singing is the only freedom available to him or her. Singing is the only freedom available to him or her. Done? Next. Third stanza. The gate bird sings with tearful stream. Three you can write either tone or you can write voice. Tone or voice. Okay. Next. Of things unknown. So the theme of the song is related to something unknown. What is unknown to the cage bird? Things is what? Outer world or the freedom? Okay. So freedom is unknown to him. And he is singing for what? Freedom, that means he is singing for something unknown. Write by your own 2 lines. Since what? Freedom is unknown to him or her. He is singing for freedom. That means he is singing for what? For something unknown. But long for still and his tune is heard. Long means wish. Wish for still and his tune is heard. Wish for still means though he is singing for something unknown, okay, he continues singing. It does not mean he or she will stop singing. He continues singing. Write down. He continues singing. Yet, the theme of his song, that is freedom, is unknown to him. That means he does not stop singing, because that is the only freedom available to him. And his tune is heard on the distant hill. Distant hill means far away. Far away. Hill stands for place. His song can even be heard from a far away place. Okay? Far away place. For the cage bird sings of freedom. He sings for what? Freedom. There is a symbolic meaning of that very line. Distant hill. Give a star and write down. The song can be heard. The song can be heard even by those who live at a far away place and are suffering the same situation and are suffering the same situation. Written, full stop. The song encourages all others. The song encourages all others to do what? To sing louder. For what? For freedom. Sing louder you can write, sing in chorus you can write. Okay. So that's all for stanza number 3. Now come to stanza number 4. Stanza number 4 starts with a geographical term, that is what? The free bird thinks of another breeze. Then this is written, and trade wind. Second line is a geographical term. The term used here is trade wind. You read in junior classes, this very trade wind helps the sailors to have a smooth journey, is it? The trade wind used to blow forward the ship, is it? The sails of the ship. So here you cannot write all these things. One word substitution required. So trade wind means, shall you write? Friendly wind. You can write friendly wind, you can write humble wind, you can write gentle wind, whatever you prefer. Okay. Humble, friendly, amiable, which one is right to write? Easy wind. What is written? The easy wind does what? First line is written, the cage bird waits for another breeze. Okay. Sorry, free bird. A cage bird wants the days to get over, the nights to get over as fast as possible, eventually the light to get over as fast as possible. But a free bird does not want like that. He enjoys every day. Just like you can understand, especially the festival days. What do you want? To stay forever now. But hard working day, what do you want? This day should get over very fast. Now for cage bird you say, what it wants? It wants the days and nights to get over as fast as possible. Eventually the light to get over as fast as possible. But a free bird does not want that. A free bird enjoys each moment of his day, each element of the nature. That is why what he does, he waits for another breeze to come. The free bird thinks of another breeze. Write down, he enjoys each moment of his life and each element of nature. So what he wants? Another wind to, or another breeze to blow. What will he do when the breeze will be blowing, wind will be blowing? Flying kites. Then will flip his wings and fly. Where it is written, another breeze in bracket right now, flip his wings and fly. Flip his wings and fly. Done? The trade wind soft through the blowing to the sighing trees. Trade wind means the friendly wind, the easy wind. Soft through means the blows through. Blows through what? The sighing trees. Sighing trees means trees making sighing sound. Sighing is onomatopoeia. It is a kind of sound. When the wind blows, the trees actually make what type of sound? Sighing sound. So, as it is written, write down, as the trade wind blows, written, the trees make sighing sound.